Everyone's talking about cultural diversity and how important it is, especially now that intercultural understanding is part of the Australian curriculum. For young people, culture, ethnicity and beliefs create their frame. But it's important to understand that everyone else has their own frame too. This is cultural diversity. In education, an inclusive classroom can bring more openness, empathy, and respect. But how do you start the discussion about diversity? That's where Diversity Atlas comes in. It enables you to create a snapshot of the cultural heritage of your students. Using information gathered from your students and staff, you can create visually striking, shareable infographics that illustrate the cultural diversity of the group. This can be used to engage students in the conversation about intercultural understanding. You might even be surprised at how much diversity your classroom contains. Diversity Atlas is your doorway to a whole new level of interaction with your students and the broader community in all its amazing variety. Discover it now.